compact, lightweight and versatile, the Helinox Chair One. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hi guys, it's Lauren from Snowy's here. Well, for Helinox, it all started with the Chair One. It's their original award-winning compact chair, perfect for motorcycle tourists, hikers, kayakers, you name your adventure, this is the chair for you. Your pack dimensions are 35 high, 12 wide and about 10 centimeters deep. All in all, your Chair One weighs 960 grams, down to 890 grams when in use. Let's see what we've got. So in your bag, you have your chair frame and your chair sling. Now this awesome storage bag also doubles up as a carry-all compartment for underneath your chair, and I'll show you how to attach that later. Now the awesome thing about the Helinox chair frames is they're all shock corded together and are practically self-assembled. A little bit of help with your last one or two legs, sliding into the hubs there, you can hear them click in. Right, now that's the Chair One frame down. If you are wanting to use your carry bag as the optional storage compartment under your chair, now's the point to pop it on. You just simply slide these two end loops over the arms before putting your chair sling on. The solid base section of your chair sling is the front component, and the legs just slip into the sockets like this. The chair will be under a bit of tension, so as you're going along, you might have to put a bit of muscle into it, but it's not difficult. That's our Chair One all set up. Now your in-use dimensions are approximately 52 centimeters wide, 50 centimeters deep and 65 centimeters high, with a working seat height of approximately 22 centimeters. Now your chair sling itself is made from a nylon fabric with these breathable mesh panels in here. On the back, we have examples of Helinox's excellent workmanship with your extra reinforcing and bar tacking along here, your nylon pockets for your sockets of your arms. Your entire frame is made from an aluminium alloy which cuts weight without compromising strength. And all your hubs here are a glass-filled nylon. The ends of your legs have these nylon end caps. When you're using soft ground though, you can get an additional footprint which stops them sinking in. Now all in all, the Chair One takes an unbelievable 145 kilos of weight. So let's give it a test run. It's very supportive, it's got an excellent reclining position, can move my arms and legs around without losing any sort of stability. It's very comfortable, and I can feel that the actual chair itself is molding to the natural position of my body. That's enough relaxing, let's pack away our chair. Right, now we'll flip our chair over, we'll pop this first socket off. It will be the most difficult because the chair is under a fair bit of tension, but once that's off, the rest of the sling should come away really nicely. We'll pop the chair sling aside, pop the storage bag off, and then we'll disassemble our frame. The shock cord make it really easy. It doesn't matter what order you do that in, it should all just come together out of its hubs really well. Now once we've got all of our legs together, pop it in this nice handful bunch. We'll grab our seat sling, fold it probably 2 times I'd say to get back in the bag. All right, pop our frame on top, and then roll it up. The Helinox Chair One really is their best-selling chair for a reason. It's so versatile for all kinds of adventures, compact, lightweight, awesome. You can get it at snowys.com.au at our everyday lowest prices. If you've got any questions or comments, give us a like, do that below. You can head here to subscribe to our Snowy's channel or here for more helpful videos. Catch you later, Snowy's fam.